Hi and hello, I am Dr. Atheena Milagi Pandian. In this video, I am going to give some of the few informations regarding our outcoming events. See, we are planning to almost 15 most important biomedical events through in online and also in offline mode in 2025. In that basis, under the name, we are going to conduct all the events called the Novice Membership Event. It is completely conducted by our own subsidiary, International Fovias Biomedical. Through this event, more number of biomedical engineering lovers got much information regarding the job market and the abroad market. The technology related things, the updated technology related things are shared through this particular events. All the events are presented by the extraordinary experts. So it is damn sure you can gain more amount of knowledge by means of attending these novice membership events. In that way, today, that is 23rd of January 2025, our first novice membership event is begin. Abroad job consultation workshop. It is a 3 days workshop. Myself and other two experts from the consultation team, abroad consultation team, is going to be give the clarity about abroad opportunities, abroad jobs, abroad studies, and all the things. Almost they are going to talk about more than 15 different countries that suits our Indian students. Don't miss this opportunity to attend these kind of the events. All the 12 to 15 events are readily unexpected events. It is not happened anywhere else till now for biomedical engineers. So it is separately for biomedical engineers. So don't miss this opportunity to gain more information regarding all the events. First event begins today. Each and every month, this events is going to be conducted. And most importantly, it is completely free of registration for all the novice members. The novice members are definitely they are going to be gain more amount of information regarding the current market of job and also the abroad studies. And outcoming events, they are also going to get a main informations, correct informations regarding the technological aspects. This is what I need to share with you. Don't miss this opportunity. Follow the International Fovias Biomedical, the subsidiary of Atheena Pandian Pvt Limited. Under that, you are going to gain more information regarding biomedical recent technology. This month, the first event is begin. Every month, you are going to attend, you are going to gain main amount of knowledge regarding biomedical engineering through this novice membership event. Thank you very much.